1.89 million crowns.
And it's yours.
It's been a while since we actually did some work down here at the jumps, so today is gonna be a bit of that. We're gonna work on the mid set and then we're gonna shape up this little guy. Look at that shit, that's absolutely horrible, but we're still sessioning it, and that's just crap because we ride here a bunch actually, but we just haven't really filmed anything this year at the compound, which is bad because that's like the most common question, that you guys want to see compound videos. But anyways, we're gonna do some work. I got Thomas and Theo here today, and yeah, by the way, thanks to all the regards to Thomas from the last video. He's okay though. His head is still intact. Before we get into the video, I've actually done like a bit of a end of summer sale on my website. So everyone who's ordering a hat will now have it on sale, and you also get a free sticker pack included on your order. So go ahead and do that if you want to have a cool hat by the end of summer and look cool. It's both the Get Sandy hat and the Commitment is Key hat, different sorts of colors. Go ahead, shop ahead. It's the last ones that will ever exist, so. Right, Theo, you little shit.
Facts, right there.
Where's the kickies?
I got the diggies on.
Let me see a bit of a tootsie slide.
Right.
Yeah, for all you guys that love the build laps, here's the first couple ones. Alright, we actually ended up fixing a hell of a lot more than we originally planned, but it's a lot better. We got no stones in the landing. We got rid of all of these stones, and it's like a big pile of dirt above it as well, but it's looking a lot better. There's no like master shaping. We pretty much just touched it up a little bit and made it running a lot smoother, and it's gonna be good for riding. Now we are going to head on and do this shitter. The most important thing at the moment is that Theo has a snail on his water bottle. Well, all of this looks like absolute crap, and we need to cut the grass again. God damn it. I'm starting to get real sick of this place. I need my own yard so we can have like proper dirt, we can have water, machines, we can have everything. But look at that thing from here. She's a beauty. How can we have been riding in this? There's like proper big holes. That's about it. Kinda got done. We're not really 100% finished, or we are kinda, I would say, but we only fixed the kicker. We didn't fix the top, but it looks something like that, and it's a lot better. No holes. I do want to note, look at this crap. 3 pegs of cigarettes, freaking fast food paper, and a lot of other paper. We even found condoms over there, which is a bit weird. It's cool that people want to sit there and enjoy the beautiful view and stuff, but I mean, come on, pick your trash up. It's useless for us to come here every time we're gonna ride bikes or something like that, and we have to pick up this shit all the time. Even if you're not even from this country, if you go somewhere, pick up your trash. Don't be an idiot. It's actually dark, but we finished up the hip landing and then the spine kicker. We're gonna cut it there for today, and we're gonna come back tomorrow. We're gonna have a session here tomorrow, and we have a bit of a surprise as well tomorrow, but you probably already know that from the thumbnail and photo of this. See you tomorrow. We're back down at the compound again. We actually have a visitor today. We have Tim here, which is a pro photographer slash video maker. He actually brought a bit of a toy here today. And actually, as you saw there in the thumbnail and the title, you probably already know that it's a Ferrari. Yeah,
I'm from England, but I live here in Stockholm now. I work for Showroom Stockholm, who have provided the car for us today, and we're going to get hopefully some really good shots jumping kind of like over the car, and then maybe take you out in it later as well.
That would be sick.
Yeah, it should be fun.
Yeah,
let's see.
Let's do some bike work now and then we can play it later. But yeah, basically that's it. We're just gonna shoot some cool content with Tim here. Are we gonna cut it into this video or maybe another one? Depends on how.
Why not? We'll try and do a 1 minute edit.
Yeah, we'll see when the delivery date is and see if it comes in this one or the next video. We'll see.
I'm sure we can make it happen.
Now I'm talking a lot again, always. Anyways, let's get padded up and start riding.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling.
It's hard to get like shots for Tim, film a vlog, do an actual line, trick, contest training, all at the same time, but works.
Shot.
You got the shot?
I got the shot!
Sick. You know, we got some real magic in the beginning there with the stills, so gonna try to keep it up. Well, I have to step it up as well. Aye. That's the thing though, when you shoot cinematic stuff, you need to redo them.
Yeah.
When we're vlogging, we can just shoot the clips and now we can head on and ride normally afterwards. I need to do it again. Oh shit. That was for sure the sketchiest in-run I've ever had on a 3W. It up, but I didn't want to screw up the shot for Tim, so I hucked the 3W anyways, but I was going so much alley-oop and sketchy into the ramp. And we got the shot, so it was worth it. Do you want to do a line out here so I can breathe a little bit?
Sure.
A flip tucking ton on that one, and then a dub truck.
All right.
You know what's up if you don't land it. Yo! Oh shit. Hell yeah, Theo! You do love the speed on the last jump. You're always
I brake so
it.
much.
Yeah, but
know.
you still like pop of it. Oh, look at that in the background, just sitting there. Ooh, it's now a good time to tell you, all of you guys, to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and go shop at maxfredriksson.com/shop so we can get one of them. Yep.
Thanks, dude.
Boom. I was thinking though, you haven't done a flare in a while.
Every damn time.
Yeah, every damn time. I want to see one. Yeah, floor it a little bit for me.
Your ears still work.
Yeah, not barely. Holy shit. It doesn't make any justice at all on camera as well. Like it's amazing. Must be nice.
That's good. I love it. Who wouldn't though?
Yeah, I know.
Beautiful.
How can a piece of metal and like glass and rubber be that nice and a bit of electricity?
That's all you need. Those together.
Yeah.
That.
No pressure, Theo, but
1.89 million krona.
1.89 million crowns.
And it's yours.
Oh shit. Well, just do it. You're not gonna hit the car. Boom. That was honestly one of the cleaner ones I've seen you do.
Yeah, I've never landed that straight.
You need that Ferrari pressure every day.
Yeah, dude.
Right, I'll bring it every time now. Every time I'm bringing it.
Sick. Not gonna lie, I was looking at the Ferrari mid-air. I was like, oh no. Alright, we're gonna do a tracking shot now. So Tim is gonna be in the car, hanging out of the car. Thomas is dead after a crash he just did. Okay. Barely even got on the camera, but that was the worst crash I've ever seen Thomas do in my whole life. we're gonna drive across this little road here, and Tim is gonna get some follow shots of me and Theo, and then we'll all be happy. We are gonna include this little montage here. Did I say this already? Yes,
Yeah.
I did. But I didn't say. Yeah, I did that already too. But I know I did that too. You're gonna leave me hanging there or what? It's actually quite good practice training to do. Practice training, that's a double practice. Now he wants me and Theo to do a train. So we're just gonna put the camera up. Alright, that's quite a shit angle, but we'll do it anyways. Alright, turned dark pretty fast, and yeah, obviously we need to take a bit of a spin.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah, let's go. Holy shit. I got some power to it.
We need to get you signed up. Come down to showroom, there's a bunch for you to choose from.
Yeah, if anyone from showroom is watching this, I'm free whenever to come and drive some cars or clean some cars. This is sick. Look at that thing. Like, you guys might think that I'm a nerd now, or usually I'm not like super into materialistic things, but these cars, they are something. There's something extra. I've always loved cars. That's quite a good sound.
Naturally aspirated V8.
Yeah. Peace out, dude. Have a good one. Jump into that shitter now after being in that one. No, but seriously, thanks a lot to Tim. Go follow him on Instagram. Go follow these guys on Instagram. I plug you guys way too less. I'm not really plugging at all, I feel like. But do that. Thanks a lot to showroom. We need to organize some more cars in the future. As I said, hit me up whenever you want. Thanks a lot. Freaking subscribe, eh?
Yeah, subscribe.